Today is a wonderful day. Not only is it beautiful weather, sun is out, it's really nice, I get to wear shorts, it's how I like it. But not only that, today I think is finally the day that this extensively long project, just to get the Fiero driving again, is finished. And what do I mean by that? Well, to at least drive it, I finally got the new Lexan windshield. So today we're gonna go ahead, slap that on the car so we can finally get it back on the road and start enjoying it and driving it. So that's what we're doing. So for the most part, I've gotten everything ready in preparation for this windshield. I've laid down this rubber stripping here. I'm not sure if I have to put anything down here at the bottom. I probably should if I was smart about it, but for now, I think this will do all right. Just gotta get this kind of repositioned. Pulling the tarp over the car all those times really just kept pulling this off, and it looks like the adhesive is not sticking, but once I get it positioned right, the windshield will hold it down. But yeah, I am so happy. I think I need to lift the front up here. So I can make sure everything's right. Now, the only other thing I don't know if I need to do or not, so you can see, obviously the wipers here are going to sit on the windshield, so I really should have gotten another seal to put on the bottom here. But anyway, I could probably put something there just to hold it for now. But we're almost done. We're almost ready to roll. See, I don't even think I think I used up every bit of that too. Oh, also I gotta figure out, I guess I'm just gonna have to glass it back together. This piece that I broke that goes under, it's like the trim piece that goes under the windshield around the wipers. That's another project for another day, but Alright, enough of me babbling. Let's get this dang windshield on, shall we? I think that's where it's back on the sit. Honestly, it was a little bit more of a pain to get that in than I thought, but hey, it's there, so I guess let's get the clamps. Let's throw them on real quick. And yeah. Cool, I got all of the clips back in. I kind of just got them sitting out of the way because I still have to peel off the protective cover on this first. And as soon as I do that, I am going to spray some ceramic coating on here. That way it protects the surface from any other crap. Hopefully keeps it from fading and all that. So as soon as I peel this off, I'm going to hit it with some ceramic coating spray, and then I can tighten up the clamps to make sure everything's good. But we're going to go ahead and do that first. Well, hey, here it is. Finally, some protection here on the front end of the car. Now, unfortunately, like everything else on this car, I fix one thing and discover another thing. So, something I've noticed is not all of these are going back in snug. See, a little loose. Most of them are snug, but there's like, I think 2 or 3 of these that aren't tightening up all the way, which is no good. First of all, the way this is done is wrong. So I'm probably going to have to, at some point, go around, drill out these holes and put ferrules in so I can properly have these put in and tightened up. And plus, whoever did this just jammed every hole full of silicone. It just made a mess, smearing silicone everywhere. So there's that, but mostly everything else is good. Eventually, I do want to probably get some tint done, like maybe a little edge tint all the way around, just to cover up where it mounts to, like the factory windshield was, so that way you don't see any of that. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. It's nice and clear. I put the ceramic coating on, so that should keep it nice and protect it. And all I have to do is just keep it clean. But yeah, and I still need to finish pulling this stuff off. But since I'm gonna have to pull it back out anyway to fix these, I'm like, you know what? Just let me get it in so I can go for a drive. Also, not sure. I might end up putting another one, like making another finger like this, and putting it here on each of those corners, just to hold these corners in. But yeah, that's not a big deal either. That's a project for another day. But so far, hey, we got glass. Well, Lexan, close enough, right? Now it's time to go finally enjoy the car. I'm still waiting for the hubs, but I at least can drive it around town here. I don't have to go too far, but I can go much further than just up the road without worrying about getting pulled over. So that's what's going to be the next video, is a nice, fun drive in the car. A little bit of shenanigans too. So always keep a lookout for that. Otherwise, that concludes this video, and that will be it. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share with everyone you know. If you want to see more content like this and you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and keep a lookout for the next True Car Enthusiast video.